So if you're trying to replace the batteries on this Bruno remote, the easiest way to do it is flip it over. Take a butter knife, put it in here just like that. Remove the cover. And you can actually wedge the knife in here just to take the battery out. So you would take a new battery, and you got the plus and the minus in there. You just put it in. You might need the butter knife also to push it back from here, just like that. And pop the battery back on, the cover back on, and you're set to go. And that's how you change a Bruno remote battery.